Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
Hold on. Hold on. Me there Flame Sports Bar. You know, everybody afraid about this coronavirus and public. Me say like, me have a light beer. So who want have a mask and cough and all of that? Who no can cough? One thing me know though, me I talk with my friends them. But just I use some first name like Jay and Maggie. Let me say this publicly now, you know. And this is not a JLP thing or a PNP thing. But the way how me see Andrew Holness handle this virus thing, me I put him at the highest level. And you know, say me no rate people, so you know. My friend, if Jamaica fool enough, if say vote out Andrew Holness in next election, a visit or not a visit, me have already. Remember me tell you that, me run with left down here, man. Yo, people, hey, they say some people are Jamaica fool, you know. But people can't fool so. Me I said publicly. Whether you are PNP, Gansi, or you are JLP, the way how this Prime Minister perform, if you even have bad mind,
I have much respect.
If you even have bad mind, you know, you have to go put bad mind aside.
Yeah.
See? The man a perform. Me not say all I minister them in a JLP a perform. Me not say that. See? And me not go say a PNP minister them a non-perform.
Yeah.
Me not even busy with that. All me know say, the way how this Prime Minister and go about in business, if Jamaica vote him out, they run me out of Jamaica. Remember me tell you. Man, I don't know, no. If Andrew Holness lose in next election, say Friday, Saturday, me dey on a plane. Because that means Jamaica full. See? No Prime Minister. Alright. If you hear people talk about Andrew Holness, they must say things like, a Michael Manley policies him a follow. And we have how much Prime Minister after Michael Manley? We have Edward Seaga, we have Bruce Golding, we have Portia Simpson Miller, and we have PJ Patterson. So why nobody can call nobody else's name? Since Michael dead and gone, the man is that good. When you can't call no other Prime Minister name. Remember say me rate Eddie, because my mother Eddie Seaga, whatever. But me did kind of gone them when Eddie time. But since Edward Seaga, you mean say we can't call no other Prime Minister name say, boy, then they do this, implement this, or then they think about it again. Say, the man is that good. The man handle this virus better than the big great America. Yo, a man good man. Yo, the man great man.
Yeah.
See, Gansi, when we see the road and where we are driving on, when we look on the unemployment rate, when we look on the amount of kids when they go back to school with some second child, you can't beat him, man. A man skilled man. The man have Jamaica. When I say all the way, look, remember this crime and corruption, you can't get that out of the way so easy. The whole country deal with corruption, even me. For even when a police stop me, I say, officer, you can't give me a chance.
Yeah.
So, you understand?
Yeah.
When we go to the bank, we look for a friend who I tell her. To see if we can go ahead of the line. So, all here we are talking about corruption. Andrew Holness can't make no policy where a man no stab one man in the backyard. You have to change that in our mentality. What the man a try? And no, hey, me say no PJ, no Portia, no Bruce, no Edward, no Michael, none no skill like him. And me I say that. If uno vote him out, uno run me out. Me I tell you that. Then can see, when me did to Jamaica, if a man like Andrew Holness lose, that means say we don't want nothing. Me can't left them too. Me not be afraid. What you say? I told you. Oh, all right. Me don't got tell them. Me don't got tell them. If I don't know, me not hide nothing. You know. Let me drink me light beer. Oh no, have no mask. Oh no, can't drink beer with mask. Yeah, no worry. Me don't want no Corona. Me want Corolla. Why we have to laugh about it? Gansi, some people come to my store. So I'm sitting. Why, me I tell you, man? No? Jamaica. Where they are?
Viewers and subscribers, I am not the kind of person that really follow politics and so forth. That's what I'm saying to you. So therefore, you know, there's not much I can really say about what this person has said. That's what I'm saying to you. You know, I've seen where politicians do good work out there before. That's what I'm saying to you, yes. And including the person that this man is talking about. That's what I'm saying to you. But however, viewers and subscribers, it's not about what I think right about now. That's what I'm saying to you. It's about this video that is out on social media, you know. And this person had said some things, you know, where some persons on social media agree with what this person had said. And some persons, you know, have other things to say as well. You see me? And I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. And you can also tell me what you think about what this person had said. You see me? Do you agree with what this person had said or not, you know? And according to some of the things that this person had said, it would seem as if this person shows a very large respect for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness. Is what I'm saying to you. And you know, a lot of persons seems to get the Prime Minister's name, you know, a little bit, you know, with the pronunciation wrong. It is Mr. Andrew Holness, not Holiness. You see what I'm saying to you? A lot of persons seems to mix up his name, you see me? But some of the times when I say it, it's like it just comes out, you see me? But anyways, we're talking about the person that said some things in the video. You see what I'm saying to you? And he's talking about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness, and he went on to say some other things as well, you see me? Alright, so let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, and this is where we leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.